राधे राधे। तो टुडे आई विल टॉक अबाउट सम कॉइन्स जिस पे मैंने अभी एंट्री लिया। कुछ क्वांटिटी में इस कॉइन्स का कुछ क्वांटिटी में ख़रीदा एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट लेट्स एनालाइज बिटकॉइन चार्ट। ओके, Bitcoin is now on 93,500 level. Bitcoin all-time high was the 1 lakh 7,000 level, and now Bitcoin is trading around 93,000 level. Okay, look at some data. In the previous bull cycle, the alt market cap touched at 1 trillion US dollar level, and on the 2017-2018 bull market, the altcoin market cap was 350 billion US dollar, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now my prediction for 2025 bull market, that alt market cap can reach up to 2 trillion US dollar. This is my prediction. I can be wrong, I can be totally wrong. It will be better that if you don't follow me. In this channel, I only share whatever things that I follow, that I am doing. In this channel, I share those things that I am following, I am doing. I'm not telling you that I am right, follow me, that I can be wrong. So it will be better that if you do your own research and if you learn how to research. I will teach you that how to research, but you have to learn. Okay, for 2025 bull market, my prediction that altcoin can reach up to 2 trillion US dollar. Okay, for those coins which are in category prime, I am holding those coins in large quantity. Category A, then category B, then category C, and then some meme coins. Yes, I'm holding lots of coins. My portfolio is over diversified, because in crypto diversification is important. But yeah, I accept my portfolio is over diversified, but I'll manage my portfolio. I can easily reduce 10 to 15%, at least 15% coin. Yeah, I can easily reduce 15% coins from my portfolio, but I'm not reducing those coins. Oh, the main thing I forgot to say, that I sold some percentage of my Bitcoin and put that money on some, and I sold some percentage of my Bitcoin and put that money in some altcoins. Those altcoins are Polkadot. Polkadot, I bought Polkadot at $7 US. One more thing that I have posted this tweet on 9th November 2024. Okay, I forgot to tell this. Okay, I bought Polkadot at $7 US. My target is 35 to 40 US dollar. After selling Bitcoin, I took entry in Polkadot at $7 US. My target is 35 US dollar. I took some entry in Aptos. It's a great project, Aptos. Let's look at the chart. The price of Aptos was 9.5 US dollar. My target is now my target is 46, 47 US dollar, 44 US dollar. Actually, I will start booking profit from 44 US dollar, and my target will change based on market situation. I will update on X. Whenever I book profit, I'll update on X. ENA Athena. I took very small entry in Athena. OP Optimism, I invested a good amount in Optimism at 1.7, 1.6, 1.7 US dollar. My target is 8 to 10 US dollar, and I told you that I'll change my target based on market situation. TIA, I took some entry in TIA. Uh, I took some entry in SEI, SEI um, at 0.40 US dollar. My target is almost 2 US dollar. WorldCoin, I took some entry. I took some very small entry in WorldCoin. Pyth Network, I took some entry in Pyth Network. It's a very good. I invested very good quantity in Pyth Network. Look at the chart of Pyth Network. This is the daily chart of Pyth Network. Average was my average is almost 0.30 US dollar. Now my average is almost 0.30, 0.32 US dollar maybe. Very and I invested a very good amount in STRK. Let's look at the chart of STRK. Starknet. Now my average buying of Starknet is almost 0.43 US dollar, 0.43 to 0.44 US dollar. This is the chart of Starknet. Okay, okay, I'm telling you the target of STRK for me, and that 3 to 3.5 US dollar is the first target of me for STRK, but I'm looking for almost 10 US dollar, almost 8 to 10 US dollar. STRK, I'll book my first profit on 3 to 3.5 US dollar, but my calculation, based on my calculation, is STRK can go up to 8 to 10 US dollar. I can be wrong. Okay, and one more thing, that book the profit. Book the profit. Whenever you think, that booking profit is important, just book the profit. Don't listen to any influencer. Don't listen to any person. Just book the profit. And yeah, I'll update on X whenever I'll book the profit. I invested normal amount in ZK. I invested a very good amount in ZK is a very good project. My average buying of ZK maybe 0.14 US dollar, maybe my average buying of ZK 0.14 US dollar, maybe. I invested a very good amount in ZK at this position. ZRO, I invested a good amount in ZRO. ZRO can become a game changer of 2025 bull market. It's a it's a classic chart, ZRO. ZRO has launched on June 2024. Just look at the chart. Just look at the chart of ZRO. It's launched on June 2024. Just look at the chart. The price was consolidating after launching. The price did not fall. It's a great chart, and the chart showing the power of this project. Again, I can be wrong. Don't follow me blindly. I can be wrong. But ZRO is a great project, and my average buying of ZRO is maybe 0.4 US dollar. Arbitrum, I invested a very good amount in Arbitrum. My average buying of Arbitrum is 0.62 US dollar, maybe. IO, it's a AI, artificial intelligence project. That's why I'm looking for IO. I invested a very good amount in IO. It's a AI project. Um, Not my favorite, but yeah, it's a very good project. It's my average buying price of IO is quite high. Maybe it's 0.2, is it 0.42 US dollar maybe. It's quite high, 0.42 US dollar maybe. Zeta, I invested a normal. It's not normal. It's a good amount in Zeta. I invested a good amount in Zeta. Zeta. It's a very good chart also. Zeta price is consolidating in this range. Price is consolidating in this range. Just look at the chart. Just look at the area. The price is consolidating. Off. It's a very good chart. It's a classic chart. Manta, I have invested Manta. I have invested GLMR. Not very good amount, but it's a okay amount. I have invested in GLMR. I have invested in SCR. It's my target for 2025 bull market. Just look at the chart. Just look at the project. Never tell me that I have not told about this project. SCR. My average buying for SCR maybe 0.78 US dollar because I bought SCR in that level. I bought SCR in that level. The first, my average buying price of SCR maybe it's 0.8 no 0.80 maybe. I've invested in Saga. I invested in very small amount in Portal. I invested okay amount in SFP SafePal. I invested a very small amount in NFP. And last but not the least, Eva. My favorite Eva. Not my favorite, not my favorite. Not my favorite. And just look at the chart of Eva right now. Eva can be the game changer of 2025 bull market. It can go up to 50x. It can go up to 50x easily. It can go up to 50x easily from the bottom, and the bottom was 0.48 US dollar. It can go up to 40 to 50x. Can go to 40 to 50x because it's a native token of traveler.com. Traveler.com is a website. Maybe I did not visit the website of traveler.com, but it's maybe a website. It's a company, not a website. It's a company which help you to book hotel. Maybe I'm not sure. I can be wrong. I'm not sure. I never researched about traveler.com. Never researched about this website, but maybe it's a website where people can book hotel. But yeah, my average buying price of Eva is trust me, I'm telling you, I bought Eva in that level. I'm telling you, the first I bought Eva in that level, 0.51 US dollar maybe, and 0.51 US dollar maybe. I bought Eva in that level, and after that, I am buying Eva right now. My average buying price of Eva maybe 0.70 US dollar maybe 0.70 US dollar. I'll buy Eva again if I get Eva in this level. I'll buy again if I get Eva in this level. I'll buy Eva again. It's a Hero Zero project. I have not invested a very big amount in Eva, but I invested an okay amount and good amount in Eva. These are some coin. I told you I have invested these coins after selling Bitcoin, and yeah, let's see what happened in bull market 2025. uh, meet you soon.